Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious quesadillas in a pan using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 2 tortillas per quesadilla, approximately 1 cup of shredded cheese, and any pre-cooked fillings you love, such as chicken or vegetables. Also, grab a good non-stick pan and a reliable spatula. These simple items are all you need to get started on this quick and satisfying meal. Now let's build our quesadilla. Begin by lightly greasing your pan with a little oil or butter, then place 1 tortilla flat in the center. Next, sprinkle about 1/2 cup of your favorite shredded cheese over the tortilla, leaving a small border. Evenly distribute your pre-cooked fillings, like seasoned chicken or sautéed peppers, on top of the cheese. Finish by adding another 1/4 cup of cheese and then placing a second tortilla on top. This layering creates a perfect, melty center. It's time to cook our quesadilla to perfection. Place your pan over medium heat. Cook the first side for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the tortilla is golden brown and the cheese begins to melt. Use your spatula to gently press down on the quesadilla, ensuring even contact with the pan for a crispy texture. Carefully flip it over and cook the second side for another 2 to 3 minutes until it is also golden and the cheese is fully melted and gooey. This ensures a perfectly cooked quesadilla. Your delicious quesadilla is now ready to enjoy. Carefully remove it from the pan and place it on a cutting board. Allow it to cool for just about 1 minute. This helps the cheese set slightly and makes slicing easier. Using a sharp knife, cut your quesadilla into 4 or 8 wedges, depending on your preference. Serve it immediately with your favorite accompaniments such as fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or a dollop of sour cream. Enjoy your warm, crispy, and incredibly satisfying homemade meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.